What is up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be refreshing my wash and go. And refreshing is not something that I do very often. I basically
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
I basically don't do it at all. But my girl Stephanie V requested this, so I am trying it out. And it's been something that I have wanted to, try for a while. But I usually, try to push my wash and goes as long as possible. So by the time that it will be time to do a refresh, like it's time to wash my hair, like it's been too long. So this time, it's only been about a week. This is day 7. And my hair is getting pretty frizzy in the front and in the back, so I feel like this is a really good time to do a refresh. I still have my bonnet on and I still have my hair in bands, and that's just because I wanted you guys to see the entire process of this refresh from the time that I wake up to the finished product. Alright, before we get started with this video, I want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, my curlies, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So the products I'm using in this video are the same ones that I used for this wash and go. And this was a battle, so I'll definitely link that battle down below in the description so you can check it out if you haven't already seen it, and so you can see which product won the battle. So for my leave-in, I'm using the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and this is what it looks like. And then the two gels that I'm using are the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel in the cherry scent, and the Big Poppa Defining Gel from the Doux. And this is what they look like. I also used the TreLuxe Curl Supreme in this wash and go, but I didn't want to add too many products to my hair during this refresh, so I decided to just go with the leave-in today. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take my bonnet off and we're going to get started with this refresh, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's some sort of success, and I guess if it's not, I'll do something different next time. This is my hair on day 8, and I don't think it looks bad. I just think it could look better, and I could also make it last a few more days with this refresh. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to section my hair probably into 4 sections. I'm not really trying to do too much detangling, although my hair is, kind of tangled at this point since it's day 8. I'm just going to try to keep the definition that I have and enhance as much as I can. I don't know how exactly I'm going to do that, but we'll see what I can do. I also don't want to spray too much water. I think my hair needs to be damp but not soaking wet. So I'm going to start by making my hair damp and applying the leave-in just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to go in with the gel and probably do a lot of praying hands method and maybe a little bit of shingling if necessary, and we'll see what we can get with that. This is what the TreLuxe leave-in looks like inside my hand. And it is not super thick, but it's just something about this pump. Maybe I got a defective pump because I thought it was thick and it doesn't have great slip, but it's it doesn't feel super thick on my hand. It doesn't feel it's obviously not very lightweight and runny, it's nowhere near a spray, but it's not super thick. I don't know why it doesn't have good slip, and it also smells like potpourri, so it's just not my favorite leave-in, but I do want to stay consistent with this refresh. The way that it comes out of this pump and the fact that it has no slip really made me think that this was a really thick leave-in. But just applying it to my hand and seeing how it felt right then, it is not as thick as I thought. Because in that battle video, I said that this was a pretty thick leave-in, and it's really not. It just does not have great slip and won't come out of this pump for some reason.
That is not correct.
If you didn't see my battle video, I used the Style Factor Edge Booster on this side and the Doux on this side. Alright, this is how the first section is looking after refreshing. And I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but I am getting a little bit of flaking at the ends. So I'm hoping that goes away as it dries. And I also, still have a lot of frizz, but something about this Style Factor gel, it becomes, less frizzy as it dries, and also more defined, and it has pretty strong hold, just like it says in the title. Alright, this is the Doux side, and the application was just so much better for this side. The Doux is just an amazing gel, and it just feels so good when you apply it. And I'm not getting any flaking on this side so far, so that's a good sign. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow when my hair is fully dry to see if this refresh was a success or a failure. Hey Telliscopes, I'm back, and this is my hair the next day. And I feel like the first thing that I'm going to have to work on when it comes to refreshing is definitely going to be elongation, because my hair has really shrunken up since yesterday. And it's kind of hard to go from your hair, getting elongated as the days go on, and then it's shrinking right back up when you refresh it. That's not so cute. Here's how my hair is looking up close on the Style Factor side. And as it was drying, I feel like all the kind of flakes mostly went away. There's still a little bit, but there's not a lot, not what I was expecting. This side is back to being very crunchy, which I don't really like because, I've had this wash and go for so long. I kind of don't want it to go back to being super crunchy. So I feel like although this gel did do a good job of refreshing, I probably wouldn't refresh with this gel very often. And this is the Doux side, and this side does not feel super crunchy at all. It actually feels moisturized and nice. It's a little bit more fluffy on this side, but I don't mind that because I don't really want this to look like first day hair or second day hair after I've had this wash and go for so long. I want it to look, nice and defined and not super frizzy, but also I don't want it to look, perfect either. I would definitely refresh with the Doux gel again. That gel is just everything to me, and it can do everything.
That's that on that.
And this is what the back is looking like. I'm gonna check out this footage and see if I need to work on the back when I'm doing this next time, because I feel like it feels okay. It feels like I did a pretty good job, but when I look back and when I'm editing, it might be a different story. So I'll let you guys know if that's something I need to work on, or you guys let me know if that's something I need to work on. Alright, this refreshing did not go badly at all, and it's really nice to be able to preserve a wash and go for even longer. I feel like if I can make it to 2 weeks, that's amazing. Let me know which products you guys would like to see me refresh with next. I'm gonna have to do a wash and go, or a twist out or a braid out with those products first, and then refresh with them. But just let me know what you guys want to see, and I can make that happen. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.